Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to use Google Duo. So the first step that you need to do is open the Duo app on your phone, on your Android phone, and then set up the Duo with your phone number. Click on your or change or choose the country code and type in your phone number. And click on agree and wait until the Google Duo team send the verification code to your phone. Okay, my phone number has been verified. Click allow. Okay, no thanks. And here there's are the contact on your phone, and you can just swipe down to record a message and choose a certain contact, or you can also create group or invite your friends to use Google Duo. Here click on invite. Okay, just like that. Okay, so that is basically it on how to use Google Duo. I hope this video will help you, and if you like the video, don't forget to leave a comment and click like, and also don't forget to subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.